Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to review how we can create an order dictionary with three key value pairs and print all the elements. And we are going to then learn how we can have access and print a specific keys value. So first of all, when working with order dictionary, we need to import them from the collection module. Then we are having the creation of order dictionary. We, for example, want to name our order dictionary to be OD. Then it is equal to order dictionary with empty parentheses. So this is how we create an order dictionary. Now let's have our elements, keys, and their associated values. So the first key is name. It is associated with the value Alice. The second key is age. It is associated with 25. The third key is city, and it is associated with string New York. So we are having three keys that are name, age, and city. Then we are having three associated values, which is Alice, 25, and New York, respectively. In order to print the ordered dictionary, we can simply use the print function. We write down order dictionary message, and then we write down the name of our order dictionary. So this is basically how we can have our order dictionary completely being printed. We are having the key name. Its associated value is Alice. We are having the key age. Its associated value is 25. And we are having the key city. And its associated value is New York. Then we are having the access to a particular key in our order dictionary. For example, we use the print function to have access the value for the key age. So for the key age, the value is 25. Now, if we want to print 25, we can simply write the following. The name of the order dictionary, then we are having the name of our key here, and when I run this code, we see that number 25 is being printed in the output. So in this video, we reviewed how we can create an order dictionary, how we can have different elements, the keys, and their associated values. Okay. Then we learned how we can print the order dictionary, and finally we reviewed how we can have access to specific value for a specific key. Thank you for watching.